Okay, so if you talk about the course syllabus, these are the things given in our syllabus. Uh, these topics related to grammar, tense, voice, subject verb agreement, conditional sentences, and preposition. So if you talk about the course syllabus, just one class has been allocated for this uh, portion. One class means 1 hour and 30 minutes, right? So uh, the main thing is you already dealt with these things: tense, voice, subject verb agreement, conditional sentences, and prepositions. And even if you don't go through these things, you can solve the questions given in the exam, right? Very basic questions will be there, and you can deal with these things. But as these things are in our syllabus, let's discuss on all these topics briefly. For this, I have just listed here some of the questions that your seniors were asked in the exam. These there are some questions from all these portions, all these 5 portions. I already told you 2 questions from each topic. There will be 10 questions in the exam. So I have 35 questions here. If you can do these questions, if you can choose correct option in these expressions, or for these expressions, that means you can deal with these things, right? So sometimes what happens is that teaching students how to change active into passive, subject should be made object, object should be subject, be3 by, it goes like bizarre kind of thing, very banal. Because you are students of bachelor degree, I don't think it is necessary to go through each and everything in that way. So uh, I have here listed 35 questions, and here you can find the questions from each and every section. Each and every section means voice, uh, tense, voice, subject verb agreement, conditional sentences, and prepositions. So if we go deep into these topics, even we cannot complete preposition throughout the semester. So preposition is so vast thing. Subject verb agreement also incorporates so many things. But yeah, we will be focusing on some very concrete rules. Okay, so my intention is here is to include all 35 questions in a single page. So you may find this later side very difficult to read, but try your best. Now here are questions from all these 5 sections. Here are, you can see 35 questions. Okay, so look, 35 questions. You just read out these questions. You can just think about the appropriate option. There are 35 questions. If you can do these things, that means question in the exam will be of this level, and you can do the questions in the exam too. Okay, now your time starts. uh, Here 35 questions we have. How much time do you need to go through these all questions and think about just the right option?
Maybe we need 5 minutes, sir.
10
Okay,
minutes sir.
fine.
5 minutes, I think,
10
sir. 5 minutes, I
uh,
think.
okay, 5 minutes will be enough, I think. Okay, if you cannot complete the things, then we will discuss, right? So it's 1:43. Okay, now you have time. Okay, 5 minutes. Your time starts. You go on doing the thing. Okay, now your time is over. Let's start discussing on these things with rules as well. And these questions are most, just complex questions from these topics, right? So these follow certain basic rules, and if you know the rules, you can do, otherwise not. So other things, for example, questions related to prepositions, some simple questions like the ball is on the table, in the bag. These type of things, I don't think it is necessary to discuss. So these are a bit, complex. So we are going to deal with these one. I have chosen some interesting ideas related to these 5 topics, and just we will be doing on them. Okay. So now we can work together. I hear that he dot dot now. Sings now, singing now.
Sings.
Sings now, sir.
I
Singing.
think it's singing.
It's singing.
It's
Is
singing.
sing. Yes, is singing.
Yeah.
When here, see are the verbs in a statement, use continuous tense. I see people running. I hear the man singing. Not I hear the man sings. Is singing. Is singing. So remember, here, see takes before continuous. The patient dot dot before the doctor came.
The patient had
Had
died.
died.
Yes, the patient had died. The rule
Had
is
died.
when you talk about two past actions, first action should be written in past perfect. Second action, simple past. First action, past perfect. Second action, simple past. She came when it was
When
raining.
it,
It rained.
when it was raining.
When it was raining. Yes.
It was raining.
When it was
It
raining.
was raining.
It was
When it
raining.
was raining, sir.
Yes. I wish dot dot a bird. I was a bird. I were a bird.
I were aboard.
I were
Yes, I
about.
were about.
Yes. If clause always takes were, not was. It it is the first time I am advising you. I have advised you.
I am advising you.
I am advising you.
I have
It is
advised you.
it is the first time I am advising, or I have advised you.
I have advised you.
I
I
have
am
advised
advised.
you. Right. I have advised you. It is the first time, perfect tense. I have advised you.
Why
Okay.
have advised you?
Yes.
Why, sir? Why?
Okay. It is the first time I am advising. Advising, doesn't take continuous tense. I have advised you. If you say, I can advise you, but not I am advising you. Or you can say, this is my advice for you, not I am advising you. Okay. 6 number. He congratulated me for what I had done, what I did.
What I did. What I did.
Always follow the rules. What I told you is, when you talk about two past actions, first
Oh yeah,
action,
yeah. Had done.
first action,
I had done.
past perfect, second
Yeah,
action.
first action for it.
Yes. So when two past actions take place one after another, first action follows past perfect, second action simple past. So he congratulated me. The act of congratulation took place after the person did something good. So he congratulated me for what I had done.
Done.
Okay. No sooner had he reached the station than the train.
Left.
Yes, then the
Left, sir.
train.
Left.
Left.
B3 front. There is B3. So backward there will be B2.
Yeah. Okay. No sooner had he reached the station. Somebody please mute yourself. Disturbance. Okay.
हेलो सर
Yes.
धेरै नोइज आयो सर एकदम धेरै नोइज आयो इको पनि आछ
Yeah.
लास्टै
Yeah. You can request your friends to mute. Okay. Fine. Now it's okay. Okay. Now, if you are in a noisy place, you don't unmute yourself. Other people who are in a very, cozy, very peaceful place, you just unmute yourself and help me do it. He congratulated me for what I had done. Yes. So no sooner had he reached the station, then the train left because first action reached the station. Okay. Now, yes, these are the questions from tense. Look, now structure will be different, but you will be asked questions these forms. Okay. Now, from A to 11 questions from active passive. Okay. The passive voice of who did it is? What is the passive voice of who did it?
By whom was it done?
Whom
Yeah.
was
Whom was
it
it
done?
done?
Yes, it's in past form, so was should be there. This is totally incorrect. The passive voice of he let him do it is
He was allowed.
Let to do it.
allowed. Let means allowed, yes, and
He
past should be there.
was allowed.
Let is okay. He was allowed to do it. Fine. The passive voice of all knows Kalidas is
Kalidas is known to all.
On wall.
Yeah, known to all.
Known to all.
Kalidas is known to all. Fine. Then the passive voice of nobody told me the news. Nobody told me the news is
I was not.
I was
was
not in the news.
Not told the
fine. You know that thing. Okay. Now these are the questions. Now let me take you to the questions from conditional sentences. Okay. So provided that she was good, she dot
would
disposition.
would attend.
She would attend.
She would
This
attend.
she would attend. Very good. So this provided that means if she was good, she would
Sir,
attend.
can you please tell me the reason behind this?
Okay, reason is you know about if clause and main clause, right? If clause is in simple past tense, main clause takes would plus B1. If clause is in the form of past perfect, main clause takes would have plus B3. So it is provided that means if she was good, if clause is in past tense, main clause will be would plus B1. She would attain the position. Got it?
Sir, thank you, sir.
Okay. Be careful, or else you dot these plates. Drop will drop.
You will drop.
Will drop.
Yeah, you will drop.
Will drop because it is in future that you would be dropping something, so will drop.
Will drop, right? Had I been there, I dot every part of the world.
I would have.
I would have.
I would have visited
Yes.
every
Had
part
I
of the
been
world.
there means if clause past perfect, then would have visited. Fine. He dot for a long drive today. If the weather had been sunny,
Would have gone.
would have gone. Right, would have gone. Now she dot if she dot you if she were here
Would tell.
would tell.
Yeah, would tell.
Would tell.
If yes, if she dot to come, I would be delighted.
Was.
Where, sir?
If clause doesn't take was always were. Okay. Now we did that conditional sentences. Now I am taking you to the part preposition. It is most complex. Preposition from here to here. Okay. Now somebody mute yourself. It's totally disturbing. Okay. Now he came to meet me dot dot morning, at morning, in morning.
In morning, I think.
In morning.
At morning, I think.
At morning. At morning.
Morning.
Yeah. Now,
In
so I
morning.
told
In
you,
the morning.
these are
The
really
must come,
complex questions. Here appropriate it at morning. In the morning, if there is the article, then sorry, in the morning, in the evening, in the afternoon. But if there is morning, evening without the article, then at morning, at evening.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Now let me take you to another one. The man jumped dot dot the swimming pool into.
Into.
Into, sir.
In the swimming pool.
In
In the
the
swimming pool.
Into the swimming pool, sir.
Yes. So what happens is that if you don't know the meaning of these prepositions, you cannot use them appropriately. So I'm going to tell you some important tricks regarding the use of these prepositions. So the man jumped the swimming pool. Here, which one is appropriate option?
Into.
Into is appropriate option because in is used with the verb constant verb or verb of state. In is used with the verb of state. Into is used with the verb of motion. There are two kinds of verb representing some state and verb representing some motion from one place to another, from inside to outside. So that takes verb of motion takes into. Verb of motion takes into. The man jumped, jumping from outside to inside. So there is a motion. So verb of motion takes into always. Right. For example, how you can say it is, for example, there were three books in my bag. I put two more into it. Putting is from outside to inside. Okay. Now 20. The children are swimming dot dot the pool. In the pool, into the pool.
In the pool.
In the pool.
In the pool.
sir.
Yes,
The pools are in the pool.
because children are in the pool. Okay, now next one, 21. He will return to Kathmandu 2 days after in. He returned to Kathmandu
In
2 days in after.
in 2 days.
In, sir. In.
In
In
2 days.
2 days.
2 days.
Now read out,
After 2 days.
read out next one too. He returned to Kathmandu 2 days.
After 2 days.
Yes, you are.
The second one is after.
Then
First one is in.
We are doing these two questions. Okay, so he will return to Kathmandu when such type of expressions are in future tense, then in is used. In is used. Future in. Future in. Past action after.
After.
You can write rule. Future in, past action after. Look, due to the tense of the statement, they take different preposition. Okay. Future in, past after. Okay. Now the tiger sprang dot dot the man.
Upon.
Yeah,
Upon.
same case as we talked about in and into. On constant, upon motion. Okay. Now the project will be over next Monday. Before
Within.
next Monday, within next Monday.
Within
next
Monday.
Monday.
The project will be over next Monday.
Within.
Yeah, within. Future in future. In past action before.
Anyone from girl side?
Within.
The project will be over before next Monday. Now the reason is, I am going to tell you reason. Reason is before is used with point of time. Within is used with period of time. Next Monday is point. So before. For example, the project will be over a week within a week. But next Monday, next Sunday, this is point of time. Before is used with point of time. Within is used with period of time, like for and since. Okay.
For and since.
Okay. Now 25. I bought 2 copies a pen. Beside a pen, besides a pen.
Besides. Besides.
Besides.
I bought 2 copies.
I bought 2 copies a pen. Beside a pen, besides a pen.
Beside a pen.
Besides.
Okay. Now, first, I already told you, when you don't know the meaning, you cannot use appropriately. Look, if you know the meaning, you will clearly, choose the option. For example, this is beside means at the side of. Beside means at the side of. For example, Ram is sitting beside me. Besides means in addition to. This also works as and.
Besides.
Yes, now besides is the right option. Besides means in addition to. I bought 2 copies and a pen, or I bought 2 copies in addition to a pen. Okay. Now next one. This is also a rule. You can write. Divide this cake for children.
Among.
No children.
Among.
sir.
Yeah.
Among. Yes, if there are 2 between,
Yeah. Then between.
more than 2,
We should use
among. More than 2. Okay. Now these are the question related to preposition. Now subject verb agreement. I am taking you to subject verb agreement part. Okay. Now, okay. Neither he. Oh, sorry. Let me increase the size if possible, because it's really difficult to read out the things. Okay, we are doing from here 27 to 35. Okay. He as well as I running, are running, am running, is running.
M. Because
I'm
of long.
running.
Is.
And I are running.
Is running, sir. Is running.
Okay. Now you will decide. You will decide yourself. Let me tell you the rule. When two nouns are joined by, as well as, in addition to, besides, along with, together with, the verb agrees with the first subject. What is appropriate here?
Is.
Is, sir.
Okay. Now you can remember the rule and choose the right option. When 2 nouns are joined by, as well as, besides, in addition to, together with, along with, the verb agrees with the first subject. Okay. Now let me take you to another rule then. So here what I am doing is I am teaching you rules through examples. Neither the teacher nor his student works hard. Neither the teacher nor his student work hard or works hard.
Works hard.
Works hard.
Yes.
First.
Now, what is the rule? When two nouns are joined by either or either or neither nor, the verb agrees with the subject nearest to it. Nearest to it means the verb agrees with this subject, the subject that has been used after or nor. If here is neither the teacher nor his students work hard, student is here, so works hard. Okay, so when 2 nouns are joined by either or neither nor, the verb agrees with the subject nearest to it. Now 29. Many a man done it.
Has done it.
Right. Yeah. Yes. Many a man is a singular subject. Many a man is a singular subject. Many a man is a singular subject, so has done it. Okay. The teacher and principal. This is also very good. The teacher and
R.
principal
Is helpful.
Is helpful. R.
and is here.
Is present.
Is
Sir,
is
teacher is sir.
R.
because
And
is
because
the
single
principal
person.
and
They
the
are
same.
the same person.
Okay. The teacher and principal is helpful. But if
It is a single person.
yes, when
Teacher is also principal.
hey, when
And
two
so this is a single person. That's why we need to
yes.
use is.
Okay, single
The teacher
different
and the
article.
principal are.
Hey, somebody unmute yourself. We are totally okay. Now the teacher and principal helpful. This is a single person. The same person is principal as well as teacher. So the teacher and principal is helpful. But if here is the teacher and the principal, then are helpful, right? Okay. Single the article is the teacher and the principal are. Now, this is also a rule. You can write that, note that rule too. The number of students playing outside. The number of students playing outside.
Is
Are playing.
Is
Outside. Is playing outside, sir.
is
house.
Sir
Okay,
is.
now three.
Because of the number.
Okay, now here is appropriate. The number
is also singular.
the number is a singular subject. You are right. The number is a singular subject. A number is a plural subject. A number of students are playing outside. The number of students is playing outside.
playing.
Okay, is playing outside. Okay, the number of singular, a number of plural. You can note it. Okay. One of the teachers dot good.
Is good. Because
Yeah,
one is good.
one of the teachers is good. You are right. One of the teachers is good. Okay. More than one student
Are.
reading a book.
R.
More than one student.
Are reading a book.
More than one is a singular subject, so is reading a book.
More than one is.
More than one singular subject.
Okay, sir.
More than one is a singular subject. If you note this rule, that will be enough. Okay. More books than one missing.
Yeah, now R, I think.
Yes. Yes, you are right. Now are more books. More books than one are missing. More books than one are missing. Okay. Now the police coming.
Are.
Are coming.
R.
Yes. Police is a plural noun. So the police are coming. The police are coming. Okay. Now, if that is so, let me add some three questions here. You will decide yourself. I will be asking somebody about these things. Okay. Let me just first let me write some questions, 2-3 questions. Then you will choose the right option. Let me write another one. One this. You just think about this. You will tell the answer
In the
later.
class.
Then next one is Okay, so let's talk about these three things. Okay, so he is absent in the class, from the class.
From.
Anyone
From
from
the
girls
class.
side?
In the class.
Three
Absent
boys
class.
replied. Anyone
the
from
class.
girls
In the
side?
class.
He is absent. Dot the
In the
class.
class.
So what happens is that choosing preposition is also about just understanding the sense of the text or the statement, let's say, right? So when you analyze the sentence very deeply, you come up with certain idea. So I will talk about the rule later. I dot her as soon as I saw her. Liked, had liked.
Had liked.
I like
Liked.
her.
Like.
Liked.
Had liked.
I talked about two
Liked,
past
sir.
actions that takes place one after another, right?
Yes.
I talked about
Like.
two past actions that takes place one after another, right? Yes. So
Yes.
38. It is the time we go home. We went home.
We went home.
We went home.
Go home. It is the time we go home.
We go home.
We went home.
We went home.
We go
Okay.
home.
Went home.
Now
Go home,
okay.
sir. Go home.
Fine.
Go
Okay.
home, sir.
Now, okay. Now you just mute yourself and listen to the rules. Okay, I'm going to talk about the rules related to these three sentences. Okay, fine. You just evaluate yourself. He is absent. Dot the class. He is absent. Dot the class. Look, use preposition and try to understand the sense of the text. Like, let me use preposition. Absent. If you read this sentence, what happens? Look, he is absent in the class. The person is in the class and absent. He is absent in the class. Person cannot be absent in the class. He is absent from the class. Here appropriate is from the class. He is absent in the class. The person is in the class, the student is in the class, then absent. Doesn't make sense. So he is absent from the class. Okay. I dot her as soon as I saw her. Yes, I talked about when you are talking about two past actions that takes place one after another with certain gap. We use past perfect for the first action and simple past for the second action, right? But here two actions are simultaneous. As soon as you saw her, you liked her, right? The action takes place together simultaneously. So I liked her as soon as I saw her, not I had liked her as soon as I saw her, right? Here I liked her as soon as I saw her. Okay. Now,
So can you please,
yes,
sir, can you please return the rules for that one?
for number 36 or 37.
37, sir.
Okay, 37 is when two actions. For example, here you can write okay. When two actions takes place simultaneously, when two past actions takes place simultaneously, both actions follow past tense. Both actions follow past tense, right? They are not one after another, simultaneously. You liked her as soon as you saw her, or you saw her and liked her. Right. Simultaneous action, past form. Two actions taking place one after another. First, past perfect. Second, simple past. Got it? Okay. Now, it is the time we dot home. We go home, we went home.
Went.
Go.
Yes. It is the time. It is the time plus subject takes went. It is the time. It is the time went. It is the time past. But you can say it is the time to go home. It is the time to go home. But it is the time we went home. It is the time to go home. It is the time we went home. Okay, now these are the rules related to grammar. These all rules related to grammar. Okay, do you have any queries regarding? Okay, one thing is, if you do these things, questions or question pattern will be from these 35 questions. Instead of he congratulated me, you will find he thanked me for what I had done, right? No sooner had he reached the station, in place of that you will find something different expression, but structure will be from this section. Okay, now these are the things related to grammar. You will be asked 10 questions from these topics: tense, voice, subject verb agreement, conditional sentences, and prepositions. Okay, do you have any queries regarding these things? Regarding the rules we discussed and all these things?
The last one.
Which one?
The
Last
last
one?
one, please repeat it. Yes, sir. 48 number.
Yes, yes. It is the time. It is the time we went home is the right expression. So it is
Why,
the
sir?
time. It is the time plus subject always takes be2. If you want to use present tense, you use it is the time to go home. It is the time to go home, but it is the time we went home. Because when you use it is the time plus subject, means most of the time you talk about past actions. When you want to talk about present actions, it is the time to go home. Okay. Any other queries? Okay. So yeah, these are the questions, very common things. You can do these things. I have included some. Yes. Okay. Fine. So we completed grammatical portion today. We completed grammatical portion today, and I was thinking that if I get enough time today, I could take you to APA and MLA styles of citation and referencing. That is what we will be doing or dealing with after this. So the time is it's 2:24. Uh, after this we will be taking extra time. What do you think? I should take you to another topic, or this is enough for today? I should do according to your
This is enough.
Let's
This is
enough.
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 This is enough.
Yes, class.
Different topics being taught in same day is quite.
Sir, enough for today.
Yeah, okay, fine. If you think it's enough from girl side too.
Yeah, it's enough.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Raghav is girl.
I didn't hear anyone just speaking from girl side.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
okay, fine. If you think that it's enough, so fine. We wrap up the class here. I will upload this file for you, but you are familiar with these things, and this grammatical part is no need. But yeah, I will upload it. You can once again go through it. Fine. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much. See you in the next
Like
class.
my videos.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you for your time, sir.
No, it's my duty, it's my job. I should do it, right? Okay.
Hope you like my video. Thank you so much for watching.